Hey, good morning class. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine in your home and doing your job in proper manner. So myself Anil Adhikari, PGT Mathematics from APSH Lamachod, and today I am going to discuss about few questions from exercise 16.1. In my last video I have discussed about what is probability and various events and algebra of probability. So I have given a detailed lecture on probability. So now it's time to execute our knowledge while solving the questions. So let's start the video. The very first question of exercise 16.1 is in each of the following exercise 1 to 7 describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. So what we have to do here, dear student, we did not find the probability of the given experiments, but we have to write the sample space for the given experiments. These are few experiments which have been given over here. We just find the sample space for the particular given experiment. Okay. So let's start. The very first experiment is a coin is tossed 3 times. Question number first, a coin is tossed 3 times. Okay, this is the statement which we have given, or you can say this is the experiment for which we have to find out the sample space. So what is the solution for it? Let S be the sample space for it. And what is the experiment? A coin is tossed 3 times. So very first it has to be known that how many sample points be there. Okay, so number of outcomes will be 2 raised to the power 3, because a coin has 2 phases, head and tail, and we are going to toss it 3 times. So 2 raised to the power 3, that is 8 outcomes, or you can say sample point has been there. Okay. Now tree method of finding sample space. Okay. So in one toss we get head and tail. Okay, this is the one tossed. Second toss we again getting head and tail. Just make a tree. These are the 2 branches. Then these 2 branches are respectively again expressed into 4 different branches. Then again, since the coin is tossed 3 times, so again head and tail. From each branch, head and tail, head and tail, एंड हेड एंड टेल. ओके, जितनी बार टॉस हो रहा है उतनी बार आप ऐसे ही ब्रांचेस को एक्सपेंड करते रहेंगे. नाउ सी द सैंपल स्पेस. वेरी फर्स्ट एच 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 एंड द सेकेंड इज एच एस टी. ओके, एच एच टी. सिमिलर मैनर नाउ दिस इज हैपेंड. नाउ एच टी एच now next H T T है ना, H T H happened. Now H T T. Now from here the first outcome is T H H. Second T H T. Now H वाले complete हो गए. So T T H and the last T T T. T and T. So you can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So these are the 8 outcomes if you are tossing a coin 3 times. Okay, this is the solution for the very first. Now second question, second is a die is thrown 2 times. Now this in second question the experiment is dice is thrown 2 times. Okay. So again first we will find number of outcomes. So since we know that a die has 6 phases. Okay, एक die में कितने फेज होते हैं? 6 phases. So number of outcomes will be 6 raised to the power 2, because we are rolling the die 2 times. So total number of outcomes will be 36. Okay. Now how will we find the sample space in the case of dice? So again I am telling you, again we will use the tree method. Okay. You can just make a table, not tree method, you can make the table like that. Okay. Write here 6 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and write 6 number in a column manner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Write 6 number in horizontal, write 6 number vertically. Now make a table like that. Like that manner, make a table over here. Now see here, now we are going to find the sample point. So very first this one will interacted with all 6 numbers like that 1 1, and we get here pairwise element 1 2, similarly 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. So this one associated with all 6 number, we get 6 numbers over here. Now in similar manner we can associate this 2 with all 6 number like 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5 and 2 6. In similar manner now we are going to associate this 3 with all these 6 numbers. So 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5 and 3 6. Next 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5 and 4 6. Next 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5 and 5 6, and next 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. So you can count here, these are the 36 sample point are there, starting from the very first 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 6 sample space. Next 6 sample point 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6 and 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. So these are all 36 sample points are there. So the set of sample points, we know that it is known as sample space. So these are the sample space for this particular experiment. One more method is there, we can find out the sample point. Now I am going to show you the second method. Okay, make a pictorial diagram like that. Okay, now write 6 number here and write 6 number here 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now to find the sample space, starting from very first 1, associate 1 with each individual 6 numbers like that manner 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. So you get 1 1 till 1 6. You will get 6 number like that 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5 and 1 6. 6 outcomes are there. Likewise, in similar manner, you can associate these 2 with all 6 digits like 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5 and 2 6. So processing in the same manner, we get 36 outcomes like that. Okay, and this is another method of finding the sample space in case of we are throwing any die in 2 times or in somehow 3 times. Okay, so this is the best method as I thought. So I will tell you, associate 1 with each one of them, then similar manner associate 2 with each one of them. You can see when I taught you regarding relation, then I have taught you regarding the कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट. तो बेटा जैसे कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट में होता था, सिमिलर मैनर बिल्कुल वही है ये, कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट विथ इंडिविजुअली एज. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द सेकंड मेथड, दिस इज द थर्ड मेथड ऑफ फाइंडिंग सैंपल स्पेस in case of we are throwing any dice 2 times. Okay, so pause the video and take the screenshot. Later. Right now I am making video. So the next question is question number 3. A coin is tossed 4 times. A coin is tossed 4 times. And we have to make a sample space for this particular experiment. So let's start it. So dear student, this is our next question. A coin is tossed 4 times. Now we have to make a sample space for this particular experiment. So now again I am going to use here the tree method. Okay, so a coin is tossed 4 times. So first time if the coin is tossed, then we get outcomes head and tail. Then further second time again HT, this is 2 times. Now the third times HT, and this process will continue till the last tossed. So we have to toss it 4 times. So this is the third time. Now the fourth time again HT, and HT. Okay, so if we are tossing a coin 4 times, then total number of sample space will be 2 raised to the power 4, that is 16 sample points be there, or you can say 16 outcomes will be there. So starting from the very first, you can see easily H. This is the first outcome. Okay, now T. Okay, now TH. Next TT. Okay, and similar manner HH. Okay, next HT. Okay, HT happened. Now TH. Next TT. Okay, now this side is completed. Now in next side THH, it means THH. Next THHT. Next THTH. Next THTT. Next TTHH. Next TTST. Next TTTH. And the last TTTT. It means 4 times T. Now you can easily count whether these outcomes are 16 or not. So starting from the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So these are the required outcomes for this particular experiment. And the next is a coin is tossed and the die is thrown. Now here 2 experiments are performing simultaneously. Okay, in question number 4, 2 experiments are performing simultaneously. In one case, a coin is tossed and a dice is rolled, and we have to create a sample space for this particular experiment. Actually, this is an experiment associated with two activities, you can say. So, very first we know that if a coin is tossed, then we definitely get head and tail. Okay. Now, see, the coin is tossed and simultaneously a dice is thrown. मतलब कॉइन तो टॉस हो ही रहा है, उसके साथ डाइस भी थ्रो हो रही है. तो बेटा डाइस थ्रो होने पे 6 आउटकम्स आर देयर. सो देयर विल बी 6 आउटकम्स and there will be 6 outcomes, whether it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, actually दो एक्सपेरिमेंट एक साथ यहाँ पे हो रहे हैं. एक तो कॉइन टॉस किया जा रहा है और दूसरा साथ ही साथ में डाइस थ्रो किया जा रहा है. तो कॉइन के लिए 2 पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं, either it will turn into a head or it will turn into a tail, but simultaneously we are throwing a die. So die थ्रो करने पे there will be 6 options, 6 possibilities there, whether the dice turn into a 1 or it will turn into a 2 or it will turn into a 3, 4, 5 and 6. So both cases will be added with the head, and both cases the 6 cases will be either associated with the tail. हेड के साथ भी 6 केसेस की पॉसिबिलिटीज है और ट्रेल के साथ भी 6 केसेस की पॉसिबिलिटीज है. एक्चुअली वी आर मेकिंग हियर सैंपल स्पेस, एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू इन माय अर्लियर वीडियोज, सैंपल स्पेस इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल पॉसिबल आउटकम्स. जितनी भी पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं किसी एक्सपेरिमेंट के परफॉर्म होने के बाद, जितनी भी पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं आउटकम्स के आने की, वो सब का कलेक्शन सैंपल स्पेस बोला जाता है. तो वी आर टेकिंग हियर द ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज, वी आर इंटरेस्टेड टू फाइंड द ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज हियर एंड मेकिंग अ सेट फॉर इट. सो द सैंपल स्पेस विल बी स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम हेड. हेड के साथ 1 आ सकता है, सो H1 इज द फर्स्ट केस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. सेकेंड केस, हेड आए सिक्के पे और डाइस पे 2 आ जाए. थर्ड केस, coin will turn into a head and dice will turn into a 3, and similarly next we can say H, 4, H, 5 and H, 6. So these are the 6 cases which can occur with the head, and similarly these are the 6 cases which can occur together with the tail. So T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. So these are the possible outcomes over here. There are 12 possible outcomes. ठीक है, there are 12 possibilities for this particular simultaneous activities, you can say simultaneous experiment, you can say. Okay, so pause the video and take the screenshot of it. Now question number 5th, a coin is tossed and then a dice is rolled only in case a head is shown on the coin. Now in question number 5, we have given a condition: a coin is tossed, and a dice is rolled only if the coin shows a head. The coin shows a head. This is the experiment. Okay, if I am not wrong. So this is the experiment, okay, and we have to find a sample space for this particular experiment over here. Now see student, a coin is tossed first. सबसे पहले coin को toss किया जा रहा है. So what will be the possibilities? Whether the coin will turn into a head or it can be turned into a tail. Now the second condition is a dice is rolled only if the coin shows a head. If the coin is showing a head, then we have to throw a die, not in case of tail. Okay. So if the coin is showing a head, then we have to throw a dice. So there will be 6 cases. If head is comes here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So all the possibilities are there. If the head is occurring here, if the coin is showing a head, then we have to throw a dice. So head के साथ क्या possibilities है? Whether head और dice पे 1 आ जाए, head dice पे 2 आ जाए, H3, H4, H5, H6. So there are 6 cases. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 H6. So these are the 6 conditions related with the head. And if the coin is showing a tail, अगर कॉइन पे टेल आ रहा है तो वहीं पे एक्सपेरिमेंट स्टॉप हो जाएगा. सो उस केस में केवल एक आपको आउटकम मिलेगा विच इज टी. सो दीज आर द पॉसिबल 7 आउटकम्स ओवर हियर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्सपेरिमेंट. पॉज द वीडियो एंड टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट. ओके, okay, the next question number 6. Question number 6 is 2 boys and 2 girls are in room X. Okay, let's make a picture for it, for this particular condition. Let it be room X, let it be room X. Okay, so 2 boys and 2 girls are in room X. So there are 2 boys and 2 girls. Next, 1 boy and 3 girls are in room Y. So there will be another room Y. Let it be room Y. And there are 1 boy and 3 girls. 1 boy and 3 girls. Okay, this is the picture. Okay, for this condition. Specify the sample space for the experiment in which a room is selected and then a person. What we have to do here, we have to specify the sample space. Okay, for the condition that first we will select a room, then we will select a person. Person should be either a boy or it should be either a girl. So what are the possibilities here? We have to look over here the total number of possibilities क्या क्या बन सकती हैं. ठीक है, वो सारी possibilities ये sample space के अंदर हम लिखेंगे. So let us start. Starting with room X. First we are interested to select room X. So if we are selecting room X, ठीक है, then we have to choose a person. So room X के साथ क्या हो जाए, boy first आ जाए. ठीक है, फिर room X के साथ boy second आ जाए because 2 boys are there. Similar manner, first selecting room X and then girl 1, selecting room X then girl 2 because there are 2 girls. Similar manner, we are selecting room Y, then selecting 1 boy. So there is only 1 boy, so we can write it like that, B. Now room Y, then selecting, there are 3 girls in second room. You can say there are 3 girls in room Y, so we will select 1 by 1. So room Y G1, next room Y G2 and next room Y G3. So these are the possibilities for this particular experiment here. ठीक है, the question is we have given any 2 rooms. First is room X and second is namely room Y. Room X contain 2 boys and 2 girls while room Y contain 1 boy and 3 girls. Now what is the experiment? The experiment is first we have to select any room, then a person including in it. So starting with room X, what are the possibilities over here? First we will select room X, then we will select 1 boy, that is B1. Second, select room X and select another person. Since there are 2 boys, so we are categorize them as B1 and B2. So room X with B2, similarly room X with G1 and room X with G2 because 2 girls are there. Now similar condition for room Y. First we select the room Y, then since here is only 1 boy, so we can write it like B. So Y comma B. Second, since there are 3 girls, so we can categorize them, classify them as G1, G2 and G3. So room Y with G1, room Y with G2 and room Y with G3 because there are 3 girls. Okay, so this is the possibilities, this is the sample space for this particular experiment. Now coming to question number 7. Question number 7 is 1 die of red color, 1 of white color and 1 of blue color are placed in a bag. So there is a bag, this is a rough figure for it, for this condition, that this is a bag Okay, the bag is containing one red die, one die of red color. एक डाई है रेड कलर की, एक डाई one die red color, one of white color and one of blue. So one die is of white color and one die of blue color. So 3 dies are there. Now one die is selected at random and rolled. All given 3 dies, we have to select one die and then roll it. Okay, we are randomly selected a dice and then rolled it. So its color and the number on it, its uppermost face is noted. Describe the sample space for it. So what is going here? First we are selecting a dice out of given these 3 dice, then noting its color as well as the numbers coming on the front face of this dice. So what is the possibilities for this particular experiment? Let's start with red die. So first we will select the red die. Then what are the possibilities with these dice? There are 6 possibilities. Either this red die turns into a 1, or this red die turns into a 2, or this red die turns into 3, in a 4, in a 5, in a 6, because 6 possibilities are there for a dice. किसी dice को आप roll करें तो 6 possibilities वहाँ पे बनती हुई दिखाई देती हैं. So first we will describe all 6 possibilities with this particular red die, then we will describe all 6 possibilities with white dice, and then further we will describe all 6 conditions with this blue die. So there are 18 possibilities. Starting with red die, we will write it R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, and similar manner with white die we can write W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6, and similar manner blue dice with 1, blue dice with 2, blue dice with 3, blue dice with 4, blue dice with 5, and blue dice with number 6. So these are the 18 possibilities over here for this particular experiment. Okay, now the next question is question number 8. You will do by your own. I am coming to the next question number 9. So question number 9 is, a box contain 1 red, 3 identical white balls. Let this be a figure for this particular condition. Let it be a bag which containing 1 red and 3 identical white balls. 3 identical white ball. So we can categorize these white balls as W1, W2 and W3. Okay. Now 2 balls are drawn at random. We are drawing 2 balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. Dear student, here at random means without seeing, without watching in the box, we are just selecting 2 balls. Okay. Now what is the condition? We are drawing 2 balls randomly in succession without replacement. Without replacement means if you are selecting any ball, then we are not putting it into the box. Whatever the balls you have drawn from the box, it will out of the box. दोबारा उसको रखना नहीं है box में. So write the sample space for this particular experiment. So we are interested, out of these given 3 white and 1 red ball, out of these given 4 balls, we are drawing only 2 balls. So what are the possibilities for this particular experiment? So let the sample space. First you have started with red ball. The first ball drawn is red. Then you have drawn a white ball, which is W1. Similarly, first is red, second is W2. Similarly, first is red, second is W3. So these 3 cases are there, and first is W1 because there are 3 identical white ball. So let first be W1 and second be W2. First W1, second be W3. Okay, and similarly first is W2, second is W3. Okay, so these are the possibilities here, है ना. अभी 1, 2, 3, 4 ये जो 3 केसेस हैं इनके कन्वर्स भी आ सकते हैं यहाँ पे. इट मीन्स W1 पहले आ जाए फिर R आ जाए, W2 पहले आ जाए फिर R आ जाए, W3 पहले आ जाए फिर R आ जाए. तो वो केसेस भी यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएंगे. तो टोटल केसेस जो बनेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड 6 इनके कन्वर्स 12 केसेस आर देयर, ठीक है, वो 6 केसेस आप ऐड कर देना इसमें, ओके। सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। एन एक्सपेरिमेंट कंसिस्ट ऑफ टॉसिंग अ कॉइन एंड देन थ्रोइंग it second time if a head occur. If a tail occur on the first toss, then a die is rolled once. Find the sample space for it. So, what is the experiment? Let me understand you. A experiment consisting of tossing a coin. So, first we are tossing a coin here. So, beta, if we are tossing a coin, then there are only two possibilities. Either it will turn into a head or it will turn into a tail. This is the first case. Now, further, if the coin throwing it second time if a head occur, if the coin is showing a head, then toss it again, then again we will get head and tail. But if a tail occurs on the first toss, then a die is rolled once. If tail is occurring, अगर tail आ रहा है तो हम क्या करेंगे उस कंडीशन में, एक die को रोल करेंगे one time. So if you are rolling a die, then there must be 6 cases, okay, either it will show a 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So these are the possibilities. Listen me carefully. We are tossing a coin, so there will be two possibilities, either the coin will show a head or it will show a tail. Further, if coin is showing a head, then toss it again, then again we will get 2 cases, head and tail. But if the coin is showing a tail, then we have to throw a die, then there will be a 6 cases. So summarizing on these things, we get the sample space for this particular experiment starting from this one HH, second case HT, okay. Here the case are completed. Now T के साथ 1 आ जाए, it means T1, second case is T2, फिर further T3, T4, T5 and T6. So there are 6 plus 2, 8 possibilities are there. So this will be the required sample space for this particular experiment. Pause the video and take the screenshot. So dear student, this is all about from today's video lecture. Next video lecture we will discuss the remaining questions. Till then, bye bye, take care and stay happy.